So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. Then guys type HP DeskJet 3752. So automatic detect your operating system, like I am using Windows 11. So in case if you did not detect, so no worry about it, you just click and choose right operating system which is you using, and then click to update. Okay, and then you can see the all driver below. Okay, this is required to internet. Okay, you can see this online setup. Okay, and last one, this is firmware, and second last, this is basic driver and with software. Okay, offline use only. Just click to download. Now this is start downloading. Then click to setup. Now this is extracting data to your system. Then click to yes. Then continue. Yes. Then again continue. So there are two type, wireless and USB. So what you want to install, like wireless, so select this. Automatically scan your printer in this software. Okay, in setup. And if you install the by USB, you just click to next and connect to cable which is come with your printer to your laptop to your printer, and then it will detect, show here, and next to install. Okay, and this is the for the wireless means continue, and like one side connect to your printer and one side connect to your Wi-Fi, like that. And if you already on Wi-Fi, so select this, and now this is search your printer on your network, and it will show and select this and next to install. Okay, thank you.